Hey guys, Pete from Secure Solutions. Just wanted to share why we use what camera we do and how do I choose what camera for what scenario. So what we've got here is a residential install and we've got a camera at the front door. Now the camera chosen here is a turret. Now you could also use a dome camera. Both cameras are vandal proof. The beauty of this camera is the infrared light and the lens are two separate units. So the clarity at night in pitch black is very, very good. Now, we've got a different installation here where we've got a bullet camera. Now, if we have a look here, this camera's a bit dirty because it's, well, I suppose we've been using it as a demo and putting it in different locations. But a bullet has been chosen in this location because of the size of the yard. So we want a bullet camera is going to send infrared light up to 50 meters, whereas a turret is only going to send infrared light for 30 meters. So different cameras for different scenarios. That's also a very focal camera, so we can zoom it in. So if we're looking down a driveway or a skinny section in between a couple of buildings, we might want to zoom it in rather than have a very wide angle. And that's the benefit of a very focal. But in this scenario, it's been chosen for its longer throw of infrared light.